Hey guys, Arvind here, back again with another video. So in this video I will be showing you how to make a material design logo in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open Photoshop. Now this is applicable for all the versions of Photoshop, whether it is CS6, CS5 or CC. So after you have opened Photoshop, then you need to go to File option, go to New, and there you need to enter width as 800 and height as 800, and in the background contents you need to select a dark gray color. So select a dark gray color and then click on OK. Again click on OK, and then you will see a square box like this. Now suppose you want to make a circle logo, so you need to select the elliptical marquee tool from the toolbox. So this is the tool that we need, the elliptical marquee tool, and using this tool you need to make a circle like this. Now right click on the circle, select transform selection, then you need to resize the circle in such a way that it is touching all the sides of this square. Then click on this tick option here. Now create a new layer. Then we need to enter some color into the circle, so select any color. I will select a red color. Now it depends on you which color you want to use, and using the paint bucket tool just enter the color here. Now press Ctrl plus D, and now we will add some text in it. So it depends on you whether you want to use any kind of icon or text in the logo. So in this video I will use text. So I will use white color for the text because this will look good for the logo. So just increase the size a little bit so that it looks good. And now I will add another letter here. So after you have added these both letters, now you need to do some customization so that both of these letters are in the center of this logo, because that will look more professional type. So let me do some customization first. And after you have finished doing all these things, then you need to go to this option on the toolbox, which is the rectangle tool. Then select the rectangle tool, then go to fill option, and there you need to select the fill as black. So make sure that the fill is set to black, and also keep in mind that the stroke is set to none. Now you need to draw a rectangle like this. After you will draw a rectangle, now make sure that the rectangle layer is below both of these text layers so that you can see the text clearly. Now press Ctrl plus T and rotate this rectangle like this. Now you need to resize the rectangle so that the sides of the rectangle are touching the ends of the letters like this. Now you need to adjust them. So after you have finished adjusting the sides of the rectangle, now you need to click on this tick option. Now right click on the rectangle layer and select create clipping mask. Again right click on the rectangle layer and select rasterize layer. Now use this eyedropper tool, and then you need to choose this background color, that is the red color that we have chosen. Now using the brush tool you need to remove this black portion from the top of the letters. So remove them carefully. So just remove this black portion. And after you have removed the black portion from the top of the letters, now you will see that it looks like a shadow. So we need to lower the opacity, fill. So go to this fill options and select the fill to 25%. Now you will see that we have successfully created a shadow for our logo, and now it looks in material design. So now you can save your logo in JPG or JPEG format. So this was a tutorial guys to show you how to make a material design logo in Photoshop. Hope you will like this video. If you like, then do subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.